Welcome to Math Puzzle Channel. I'm Mr. Charles. Today we're going to discuss a question from a Math Olympiad practice paper. If you are interested in Math Olympiad, feel free to check out the playlists on our YouTube page. You will find other similar videos there. Here is the question. In a town, there are only two types of residents. Those who only tell the truth and those who only tell lies. 90 residents filled out a questionnaire. Below are the results of the questionnaire. How many of them always lie? Feel free to pause the video if you need some time to give this question a try. Remember, calculators should not be used during the problem-solving process. When you're ready, please resume the video. I'll guide you through a step-by-step explanation of how to solve it. First of all, it is important to distinguish the interference information in this context. The question, "Do you have any kids?" does not provide any relevant information in relation to the other four questions, which are specifically focused on age. Therefore, it should be ignored in the analysis. For a resident who always tells the truth, the first four questions in the questionnaire should be completed only with one yes. In the case of a resident who only tells lies, the four questions would receive 3 yes responses in total instead of just one yes response. Consequently, each liar would give 2 additional yes responses compared to those who tell the truth. Assuming everyone tells the truth, the total number of yes responses from the questionnaire should be 90. However, when we sum up the yes responses obtained from the questionnaire, 37 plus 28 plus 35 plus 46, the total is 146. This would exceed the actual number of questionnaire respondents by 56 yes responses. As mentioned earlier, each liar gives 2 more yes responses than expected. Therefore, we can divide the excess of 56 responses by 2, resulting in 28 liars. Thus, we have arrived at the solution. If you are in grades 4, the above approach is more suitable for you. If you've already learned simultaneous equations, you may consider to solve the problem in the following approach. Let x be the number of questionnaire respondents who only tell the truth, and y be the number of questionnaire respondents who only tell lies. In total, there are 90 residents who have filled out the questionnaire. Hence, we can establish equation 1. X plus y equals 90. When a truthful resident responds, they provide 1 yes response, while a liar provides 3 yes responses. Combining the result from the questionnaire, we have 146 yes responses. This leads us to equation 2. X plus 3y equals 146. Here comes a set of simultaneous equations. To solve these equations, we can eliminate one of the variables by subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. This results in 2y equals 56. Dividing both sides by 2, we find that y equals 28. Therefore, we have successfully determined the answer. I will create more videos focusing on various mathematical problem-solving skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math content. See you later.